Hey guys, how you doing? This is Marcello here, back again from Republic Services. I'm visiting one of my customers here downtown Atlanta, 1180 Peachtree. This is Hines Property Management Group, and we started servicing both their trash and recycling services. They had some slim or low profile compactors, but these solutions are quite rare, so I wanted to highlight it and share that with you in case you have a scenario that a standard compactor may not fit, or you guys are having too many hauls, meaning with an open top, and a compactor will be better suited for your application. So here we go. This is a slim profile, or aka low profile compactor on rails. As you can see, the rail system was already in place before us. So this is self-contained 34-yard low profile compactor that we ordered for Hines. I want to let you know that average ordering time is anywhere between 2 to 6 weeks. On rare occasions, it can take as much as 8 to maybe 9 weeks to get the equipment in place. So if we have an opportunity to bid on your trash and recycling services for your site, and you do require a low or slim profile compactor, please consider that as well. So here you go. We actually installed a little opening on the end right here so they can actually come out when the folks come in and they're dumping their recycling material. They'll just come right out, bring their container and dump it. You can just open it up here. It's for safety. So pretty easy. Just open it up, just drop the boxes in there, preferably breaking them down, but hey, it's hard to manage that, understandably so. And then lock it. When you're done, just push it to go and you're ready to go. So just wanted to share that with you. We can provide multiple type of solutions given your needs. Just give me a call, we could discuss it. I'm sure we could tailor something just for you. Again, this is Marcello Arcele with Republic Services. I can be reached at 678-683-9136, or send me an email, which is in my profile. Talk to you soon. Thanks again for your friendship. Take care.